Hey dreamers, getting bored with your regular still images? Let's turn them into jaw-dropping motion posters like this. Buckle up because in the next 30 seconds, I am unleashing the magic. Save this video because you're gonna need it. So, first things first, pop open Google and type Leiapix. Hit enter, click the link and voila, you are on their snazzy website. Now hit that sign up for free button. Go Google for a swift sign up because who's got the time to remember another password, right? Quick email verification and boom, you are in. Just one more click away from motion poster glory. Grab any fancy image, toss it into the mix and watch the web app work its wizardry. Hit export, choose your video quality and presto, motion poster achieved. All in less time than it takes to microwave popcorn. If this video rocked your creative world, show us some love with the heart. Got any questions or doubt? Drop a comment, we are all ears. Stay dreaming, stay creative and keep those motion posters rolling.